Setting your accounting preferences in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to choose your costing method, set purchase order approval rules, and confirm your QuickBooks account mapping. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Accounting from your dashboard. This page sets the core accounting rules the rest of the system builds on, so get it right before you start recording production and purchasing activity. Choose your costing method, FIFO, which values inventory in the actual order items were purchased, or average cost, which values inventory at the weighted average of all on-hand stock. This affects your COGS, so talk to your accountant if you're not sure which one matches how you already report. Set whether purchase orders require approval before they can be submitted to a vendor, and at what dollar threshold. This ties into your broader approvals policy. If you sync to QuickBooks, confirm your chart of accounts mapping is correct here, so journal entries land in the right accounts. Save. Because this page drives your cost of goods and financial reporting, review it carefully. And loop in your accountant before changing the costing method on an established set of books.